Imagine creating a simple digital product that brings you over $5,000 in passive income every month. Still having doubt? Well, let me introduce you to Paulina. She started an online store and now she's making massive revenue with these simple designs. And you can do it too. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how I use DeepSeek AI to create a prompt that can generate these high-selling designs and a trick to double your revenue with print-on-demand service like Printify. And there is a free prompt giveaway, but you have to like this video and comment "I want this prompt" to gain access. Paulina created another Etsy shop. This time, she focused on selling nursery clip art designs, which is a simple PNG image on a white background. These straightforward designs has generated this store an impressive total of 24k sales with just 226 listings. The best part, she created this store just 2 years ago. However, this doesn't mean you need artistic skills to start selling this type of digital product, because with a simple image generation prompt from DeepSeek AI, you can quickly generate these best-selling designs to your store. Now, a free way to know if Paulina is still making sales is by checking the recent reviews, and you'll be able to see that these digital products remain a reliable source of passive income in 2025. And according to this pet tool called Alura, Paulina has made over $100k in total revenue, and if adjusted the monthly revenue, you notice that this store continues to generate $5k in sales every month. The best part about this stage is realizing that each listing Paulina created has generated impressive monthly sales. Now, imagine your own store achieving similar results. This is only possible if you stay consistent. One of the biggest advantages of selling clip art designs is that you can also apply them to the best-selling physical products like mugs. This strategy helped attract both digital and physical product buyers to your shop, ultimately increasing your revenue. Physical product often has higher profit margin compared to solely selling digital product, making this a smart way to maximize your earnings. One of the best things about selling physical product is that you can use Printify as your print-on-demand service, eliminating the need to manage inventory. Printify offers popular white label products and works with fast and reliable suppliers who delivers worldwide, making it easy to streamline your physical product sales. With Printify's seamless integration with Etsy, the process becomes even simpler. Once you select a product, apply your designs, and enter the product details on Printify, it automatically gets listed on your Etsy shop. When customers from Etsy's massive marketplace purchase your product, Printify takes care of everything from printing to packaging and shipping, so you never have to handle the product yourself. Later in the video, I'll provide a guide on the necessary steps to get your physical products ready, but for now, let's create this product. To create a stunning design that drives sales, I typically use Kiddo because it offers a nursery clip art option, perfect for the images we're about to create. First, I set up a 1:1 aspect ratio in Kiddo with a 300 dpi resolution. Then, I selected the AI tool to generate the designs. For the prompt creation, I turned to DeepSeek AI and instructed it in this format. Using the sample prompt below, I need an image generation prompt idea. Then, I provided the image concept, followed by a sample prompt in a specific format. After that, I added another instruction. After generating the prompt, DeepSeek AI provided a sample exactly as I wanted. Then I pasted it into Kiddo AI, selected a nursery clip art, and the final result was incredible. I also experimented with a few other prompts and the results were even better. But these are just a few examples. Imagine having access to 100 prompts that can generate these similar high quality designs. The link is in the description, and a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Before exporting these images, I also make sure the backgrounds were removed, seeing this is a clip art design. After exporting, I still upscale the images. For this, I'll be using Let Enhance to upscale the images, since it offers the option to upscale up to 16k resolution. However, for a clip art design, 4k resolution is still better. If you're looking to sell this design as digital product, I have linked a video that will guide you through the process. But if you want to make it print ready for physical product, you need to upload your design to Printify. Make sure your Etsy shop is connected for seamless integration. Once that is done, we head to the catalog section, choose home and living, and select mugs as our product. I'll be using this mug with the bestseller tag for the designs. After selecting it, I'll click start designing. Then I'll upload my design from my device. Next, I'll position the design on both sides of the mug so it appears on both the front and back. Once that is done, Printify will automatically generate default mockups, title, and description for your product. But to make this step even easier, Printify has an AI tool that generates high-ranking SEO product description. Simply provide details about your design and it will generate a ready-to-use title, description, and tag for you. Once you're done, you can adjust your pricing, but be careful not to set it too low or too high. After filling in all the necessary information, click publish, and just like that, you can proudly tell your family that you own a physical product business. business. Remember, selling digital or physical products won't make you money overnight. You need to put in the effort and stay consistent. Success on Etsy comes when you treat it like a real business, not just a side hustle. So give it your full commitment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.